You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Haha, let's learn how to say gourmand in French. In English, you can say gourmand or gourmand. In French, however, the pronunciation is gourmand. If you want to learn more French pronunciation, especially cooking terms, French cuisine, stay tuned. I've got tons more videos that you need to listen to and learn from. Gourmand is the French pronunciation. The D is silent because it's at the end, and that's what we do in French. We put silent letters everywhere. Gourmand is how it's pronounced. Gourmand in English or gourmand. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.